Everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be opening our, how about that? We will be opening our bi-monthly, I hate that term, our every other month Beem Box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with the Beem Box, look at that gorgeous packaging. The Beem Box is designed and created by a woman of color for women of color. And the items that are enclosed go perfect with our melanin. How about that? Now, I will list all the details down below, including the price, okay? Now, let's just jump right in and see what is enclosed in this beautiful Beem Box. Okay, now, the packaging states, Beam from Within. The very first thing that we pull out is our description card, okay? And it looks like that, and it says your Beem Box has arrived. I'm ready for my close-up. So, it tells us the items that are enclosed, and it gives us a rubrics to let us know if they are indeed cruelty-free, vegan, and a women-owned business, as well as the manufacturer suggested retail price for each item. So let's just jump right in. And the first item that we pull out, it's by Ona, New York, and it looks like this. And it says it is an revitalizing eye cream, a lightweight, refreshing eye cream featuring their signature A-B-C complex infused with peptides and vitamin E, instantly brightens and reduces appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. It's designed to give your eyes a well-rested look, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $42. Now, this company, Ona New York, is a woman-owned company, and it said the products are vegan and cruelty-free. So when we open up our packaging, this is what it looks like. Okay, and let's just see here. Okay, look at the applicator on here. It has that look of, eye syringes and things like that. So, not bad at all. It doesn't have a scent, but the packaging is open. So, and by that I mean there is no safety seal. That's right here. However, I did know that it had not been used because the cap was still completely clear. So I just put a small amount on, and as I've often mentioned to you, whenever you are applying an eye cream, you want to make sure that you tap it on, never rub, and use preferably your ring finger, okay? Okay, now I must admit, it's not greasy at all, but it does give a little bit of a sheen, which I like, as it absorbs in, which is rather quickly because it's not tacky at all right now. So I do like that. And it also says on the box that it is great for all even sensitive skin types. And it says apply AM and PM to cleansed skin around the eye area. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounces. Okay, that is item number 1. Moving right along, the next one that I pull out is Rock Chic. Now I'm feeling this packaging, y'all. One of my colors right here. And it says, this is the Rock Chic liquid lipstick. And it's by the company Model Rock Cosmetics. And it says, bring out your inner wild side and get unapologetically bold, outspoken, color-saturated lips with this liquid lipstick created with high-impact pigments that pack a punch and are infused with both avocado and coconut oils to give the lips an intense hint of hydration with a weightless, velvety feel. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $28, and it is a woman-owned company as well as cruelty-free and vegan. So, oh, I like this packaging. And I'm feeling this color. I think I might try this one on right now. And the shade that I received is called Cherry Wood. Oh, I love reds with a blue tint. I'm not going to put a lot on. Okay. Not bad. All right, let's see how it makes out between now and the end of this video. This packaging is really cute. Okay, and this one is a 5 milliliter or 0.18 ounce size. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, moving right along to the next product. We have is by the company Bella Pierre. All right, and this one is the Pompous Lash Mascara, and it says Pompous Lash Mascara was designed to achieve the perfect fluttery lash, but we think this mascara fits better for a fluffy full eyebrow look. The hard but flexible bristles allow for a sweeping full eyebrows. Okay, mascara good for the brows as well. And this is, as I stated, by Bella Pierre, and this is typical of mascara. It only has a 6-month shelf life. Now, Bella Pierre is cruelty-free and vegan. This packaging is gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. Okay. And this is a 0.27 fluid ounce size. Alrighty then. Now y'all know, if you're new to my channel, please understand I do not open mascaras until I'm ready to use them, because the shelf life is so short and you want to have a chance to really enjoy your product. Okay? Alright, volumizing mascara. But I am definitely feeling this packaging, okay? The next item that we have is by Okaland. This is not what I have on my description card. So I'm going to have to check and get some information about this particular company. What I did receive is the Okaland 8 color matte eyeshadow, and it says Shine Easy Glam Product Secret. And what I will do, since this one is probably a variant because it did not appear on my card, so I will do some research and get the manufacturer suggested retail price, and I will include it on the screen. Now let me tell you something. I love this packaging. Look at this. Okay, extremely colorful. And this palette is not disappointing at all. Look at these shades. Gorgeous. And that shimmer is happening. All right, so let's just swatch a couple. So let me tell you something. I am so here for this, and I didn't even swatch them all. Okay, I only swatched 3 shades. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna start at the top, and this one is called Boot, the one on the top. Then the middle is Mustard, and the bottom is called Pigeon. Okay, so you see it that way. Let's just turn it so you can see it a little better. How about that? Do you see that shimmer in Boot? Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, I'm looking forward to creating time, y'all, so that we can do something with the shades that are in this palette. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I will be checking. Oh, and by the way, this palette does have a mirror. I know that's quite important to a lot of people, so I just want to make sure that I let you know. So there is a mirror. There you go, right there. Oh, but I'm loving these shades. All right, and the shelf life for this palette is 24 months. The last item in the box is by Do Color, and this is a 10-piece pro eyeshadow brush set, and it says the soft and dense synthetic fibers of these brushes provide you with an incredible touch and feel. This 10-piece rose gold set is the perfect addition to your makeup bag to create any gorgeous eyeshadow look. Now, affordable. Can we say affordable? This one, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. How about that? Oh, you can sincerely do a complete look with these. The brushes are not necessarily labeled, but they are plenty. Look at that. Okay. Let's just see here. Oh, very, very soft. Very fluffy. Very soft and fluffy. I like that. Okay. Well, We will be using these when it's time for our create, try on, first impressions, okay? So I do like the brush set. I like it very much, but y'all know how I feel about brushes anyway. So that was the last product in our monthly box. So this lipstick, let's just go back to this before we, come to a close on this video. But this lipstick feels rather nourishing to me. Rather nourishing, because I gather it's the coconut oil that is infused with, but the lips feel very moisturized but not greasy, and it looks very much like a liquid lipstick, not that liquid matte lipstick, but just a liquid lipstick nonetheless. So I do like it, and I love the fact that it has that blue shade with it. So I like it. Now, when it comes down to time to actually use it, I will apply it a little better than this. I just, kind of tapped it up a little. So, very interesting. I'm looking forward to using these products. I really am. So, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened our, I believe this is the April-May Beem Box. Okay? And these are the items that are included in this month's box. And down below will be the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that are contained in this box. Okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.